Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy and I am out here at Echo Lake and I am going to be taking a hike on the Pacific Crest Trail up to Lake of the Woods. I've got my backpack all made, I've got my bear bin, I have my poles, and it's gonna be an amazing trip. Let's check this out. So I'm about a half mile into my hike and as currently I'm on a very flat section of the Pacific Crest Trail. You can see I'm in a beautiful meadow. But I know from experience that if I don't hike with a backpack, I run about 20-minute miles. But when with a backpack, it's about half hour per mile. And if I'm doing videos, who knows how long we'll be. Ooh-wee, I made it up to a perfect spot to take a break. And you can see here that we have Lower and Upper Lake in this great spot. So I am now 2 miles into my hike and I've made it to Desolation Wilderness. You can see the permit is required. I do have the permit for backpacking out here, so I am good to go. And it is so beautiful out here. I am currently 3 miles into my hike. This is a little mile marker for me at Tamarack Lake. This is actually a very popular place because it's the first lake that you can actually camp at if you start at the Echo Lake Trailhead. So when I was trying to find a permit, this was all booked up. Woohoo! I made it to the turnoff to Lake of the Woods. And as you can see, up here at this elevation above 7,000 feet, we have snow. So woohoo! I have made it to Lake of the Woods. This is a special management area, which means that I have to camp in these special designated areas, which they have pointed out in this map right here. So it only took me 2.5 hours to get here. So 5 miles, 2.5 hours, that means I did half-hour miles, which isn't bad. I might stick with this one. This one's kind of cute. It's just me. And look, there's the lake. Oh my gosh. I'm super excited to sit down and pull off my pack and start setting up camp. So if you want to see me set up camp, check out my next video and I'll see you guys then. Wow, science is so amazing. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless. Bye-bye.